Kellerton's an amazing community. It's located right at the base of the Keystone Mountains, 5 minutes from downtown Frederick, and it was designed to be a lifestyle community. Kellerton is amenity-rich with a pool and clubhouse, dog park, miles of walking trails. Really everything you need is right at your fingertips at Kellerton. Kellerton is currently planned for 450 single-family homes. Keystone Custom Homes is offering 9 different floor plans for you to choose from, range anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 square feet and 3 to 6 bedrooms. The model that we're featuring at Kellerton is our Nottingham Manor. The Nottingham features a full front porch, a beautiful 3-sided turret, and a variety of textures and materials that really work together to be as attractive as they are functional. Our 2-story family room features our wall of windows, a double-sided fireplace, and open stairs. It has the large open space that everyone's looking for in today's modern contemporary designs. From the family room, you can walk directly into the kitchen, where we've featured our garden kitchen design. Our Nottingham Manor model features a main level owner's retreat. When you enter the owner's retreat, you're greeted by a cathedral ceiling and 2 large walk-in closets. If you're interested in improving your life in an amenity-rich community, Kellerton's the perfect choice for you.